Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to export the contours from your MicroSurvey's FieldGenius project. So you can see here I've got a whole schmack load of points laid out, and you can see I've got some red contour lines going up along the slope here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Surface Manager, hit Settings, and right now my contour interval is set to 1 meter. I'm going to change that to 5 meters. I'm going to hit OK here, and what that's going to do if I close my Surface Manager is you can see those red contour lines have changed from that 1 meter graduation to that 5 meter graduation. So if I hit in the bottom left corner here at the plumb bob icon, what that's going to do is it's going to open up my main menu. If I go to Import/Export and open up my CAD Land XML templates option, this is where I can export those contours from. What I'm going to do is I'm going to export it as a DWG or DXF file. And you can see here, if I scroll down to the bottom, I just have to ensure one of these checkboxes is checked in order to export my contours. And I appropriately have it checked for what I'm doing. So if I have this checked and I export it to my DXF or DWG and I bring it into a CAD software, it's going to have those contour lines set up and ready for me to do whatever I so please with. So if I hit export here, it's going to ask me where I want to save that file. I'm going to save it in the folder I created here, and I'm going to give it the aptly named test export contours, where if I then save the file, it's going to give me this message that it was successful. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you export contour lines from MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our website, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.